videos is so convenient to watch and observe any time of the day. So that's really good. Thank you for doing that, Jack. Helps a lot of people out. That's pretty neat having what, 5 stars all lined up almost in a row. It's unusual. Next one I'll try 64 and then we'll do the whale and the pup. I don't know if anybody wanted to see the supernova tonight, see if it changed. I can still get there without doing a flip. That's true, but he didn't have the light pollution either, Kevin, that we do nowadays. Still, we're probably a lot better off. He only had a small couple of inch, 2-inch scope or something. Oh yeah, that will help a lot, Jack, especially solar needs that high resolution. You're at a pretty high resolution image. So when you're using a motorized focuser, you can go in small, tiny increments and much more accurate than the human hand can ever turn. So I think you'll like that. Yeah, that's another thing. It's so bright. Are you using software for the focus? Um, there is Focus Max. I don't know if it would work with the camera, but there is some software programs that will do a reading of each focus, and it will measure the star and determine the best focus point. Yeah, I used to use Focus Max a lot when I did imaging. It's fantastic. It will do a V curve graph and that. It's amazing. No, no, I don't. No, it won't. It has to be a small. That's right. Point source of light. Yeah, you're probably gonna have to manually focus it with the focuser. Okay, so I'll put that on freeze, and we're gonna go to 64. Last night when I quit my broadcast, my last object, which was 24 degrees altitude, just a few degrees over the roof, was M57, and it looked pretty good. I was quite surprised. It's good to see those summer objects coming back. Yes, you wouldn't need to use the mask, Kevin. The mask is fantastic if you're going to focus manually, which I do. I sold all my RoboFocusers. I had 2 of them. So I sold those when I got out of CCD imaging. So I just basically, I used to manual focus by eye, and I thought it was good, but when I got the mask and compared, oh, it was way better. You can't beat the That's Enough mask for focusing manually. It's quite nice. No, I haven't used one of them, Steve. I used to use the RoboFocusers on both my 9 1/4 and my refractors. Okay, 12 seconds. 64 is going to be probably washed out. Okay. Well, thank you, Jack. Not too bad, yeah. It's surprisingly pretty good considering the moon glow out there. I guess right about there. Maybe put the APC up a tiny bit. There we go. The next one will be the whale. Whale and the pup. Whale is known as NGC 4631. Okay, we have another refresh coming. 3 seconds. Oh yeah, I forgot about that one. The hockey stick. Do you know the number for that one, Jack? I don't think it's under common names. Oh, it's right next to the whale? Okay. Thank you. I'll try and zoom out and find that. Should be able to find that one. Thanks for reminding me about that one. Okay, I'll put this one on freeze and we'll go to the whale. One guide star there. Let's see. I'll try with this area. It's like a little speck. I think it could be just noise we're guiding on. We'll try it. Yeah, it's having a tough time. We'll try it. It's a very faint star. It's the only one in the field of view. It's mixed in with all the noise. Thank you, Jason. 4656. Okay, let me see where that one is. Should be right near it. It's Jack. Let's see. Yeah, it's right near it. So that's great. Thanks. I appreciate that, Jason. Yeah, guiding's not doing too well. It's up in the high twos. Starting to lose it. We'll probably only get one refresh. That's okay. Usually looking at one, if you do 2 or 3, they all look pretty well the same. Sometimes you'll get a good one depending on the sky conditions. Seconds. I'm still using the same 105 seconds. Yeah, you can see the guider was really having a tough time. That's too bad. I could pull it a little bit over to the right and see if we can find, if it shows an under guide star, because this is a nice galaxy to see. It might be worth trying that. Bring it over to the right a bit. Okay. Guide errors seem a tiny bit better. I will just wait for this one refresh. Now the guide errors seem to be doing a bit better. Uh-oh, as soon as I said that, the deck went up to 3.7. Alright, let's see how it looks. As long as it doesn't stay up around 2 or 3 for more than a few seconds, because then it will show the star elongation. If it's just a split second, it might not. I think this will be a little bit better. Can't believe these Orion's auto guiders, the star shoots are pretty sensitive. I have the gain at 85, so it's not at full. Okay, that was a nice refresh. So yeah, it did look a little bit better. Just freeze that one. Let's hope the hockey stick one has better guide stars. Once in a while I'll go to an object and it'll be like that where the guide stars are just not in existence. Unfortunately, my TMB's in a fixed clamshell. I used to have guide rings before and everything. They make marks in your tube though, and I find it doesn't hold as secure. You gotta really tighten them down.